Good morning, friends. How are you? Very long time. Today we are going to start with the basics of the class 11th. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about the three basic, or you can say the golden rule of accounting. If you have learned the accounting in a class 11th, so what we have learned, that's at the initial level we learn that accounts are basically divided into three parts. First one is the real account, personal accounts, real accounts, and the nominal accounts. Why it is called the personal accounts? Because personal account is the account which record all the transactions related to a person or in the name of the person. Okay, it means कि whenever any person or organization with their name they involve in the transaction, we consider as that account is the personal account, and their rules are debit the receiver and credit the giver. If he is receiving from the business, we are going to make them debit, and if he is providing us or providing something to the business, it means we are going to make them credit. Okay, now come to second account, real account. Real means कि that account is really exist, or the accounts related to the physical assets or any kind of the assets. Account in which the account represent the transaction related to the assets. For example, building, furniture, machinery come under the real account because these assets are really exist in the business. We can feel, see, or touch these account that is really exist. The rules are of accounting are debit what comes in and credit what goes out. It means if something is anything is coming in the business in the form of assets, we should debit the account, or if anything is going out from the business, we should make them credit. Okay, whatever the things are coming in the business we have to debit, and whatever the things going out we should credit them. Okay, now come to the third account, last, nominal account. Nominal account is the account which represent the transaction related to the expenses, losses, income, or the gain. Okay, whatever the expenses we are doing in the business, or whatever the loss we are suffering or facing the loss, we should make them debit. The rules are debit all the expenses and losses in this account. We should make them debit all the expenses and losses in the debit side, in the debit, or whatever the income we have earned from the business, that is considered as a credit all the income and profit. Rules are debit all the expenses and losses and credit all the income and profit. So these are the traditional rules of debit and credit. If you have any doubts, please comment me, or you can ask me again to make a more informative video on this topic. Thank you.